Look at this. This is a beehive at John Campbell's Folk School, and you can almost see the bees flying around. Look at those bees. That's where honey comes from. I bought some honey at the gift shop. Look at all that. Bees right there. Wow. Look at this over here. Look at the mountain over there. I hope I don't get stung. But listen to those bees. Whoa. Okay, bees, I'm not hurting you. Look at those bees. Thousands of them. Oh, I hope I don't get stung. Ooh-wee, look at those guys. Wow. Look at them guys. Look at them bees. Listen. Just listen to them. That's nature in action. I hope I don't get stung. Okay, bees, I'm going to leave you guys alone. Do your work for that delicious John C. Campbell's honey. Blue Ridge Mountain honey. They probably smell me too.